Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a fun drugstore tutorial on the brand new e.l.f. Game Up. This is a limited edition product. I was lucky enough to receive this in PR and looked at this thing. First of all, it is ginormous and it is so cute. I am personally not a big gamer. I have a few games on my phone, but my husband is huge on games and my daughter loves them as well. So I'm really excited to play with it and see what this is all about because everything is just so pretty. I kind of messed up already and I forgot that a sponge came in here. So I did my face and I forgot about it, so I'm sorry. But anyways, I hope you guys are excited. I know that you guys love anything e.l.f. So if you are here for this type of content, definitely subscribe to my channel because that is free and 99. And also don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel because over here we're dying. We're dying with the YouTube channel, you guys. And YouTube just doesn't like me apparently. So if you guys enjoy my content and you want other people to watch it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. With that said, you already know. Grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and start with today's e.l.f. Game Up collection. Let's see if it's worth it. Dun da da da! So let's quickly go through the products. I am going to pull up my phone. First up, we have the Game Up I Win eyeliner pot. They have four different shades. I have the shade black as well as the shade blue, which is called Lag, and it's this one right here. So this is a creamy, colorful, smudge and crease resistant eyeliner from our limited edition Game Up collection. These are currently retailing for $6 a piece. Next up, we have the Game Up Bonus Points Lip Gloss Mask. There's 4 shades. I have 2 out of the 4. I actually really want to try one on right now, and I'm definitely leaning towards the yellow a little bit more. Oh, she's thick. Oh. It smells a little lemony. Oh, this is a product I see myself using all the time. It's thick like a lip mask. And it's not goopy. It feels super hydrating on the lips. Next up, we have the Game Up Rosmi Awakening Eye Cream. This is a rich, hydrating eye cream with hyaluronic acid. And this one is described as a hydrating eye cream that helps minimize the appearance of dark circles. Next up is the Game Up Shield Me Setting Mist. It's a blue light absorbing face mist and makeup setting spray. So this is hydrating. It's described as a hydrating face mist that locks down your makeup for a look that really lasts. If this is anything like their microfine setting mist, the all-nighter, I know I'm going to love it. And this one is retailing for $10. If I mentioned the eye cream, but that one as well is retailing for $10. The most exciting part for me is the palette, and this is the Game Up Ready to Play eyeshadow palette, which retails for $10. And then the very last thing that I received in this collection is the Game Up Extra Life Kit. So this is a set of makeup accessories and brush tools for gamers. It is described as a limited edition set of makeup accessories and tools and face gems for applying and leveling up your makeup look inspired by your favorite video games. So it comes with a set of brushes, a sponge, and then some really cute gems. I'm going to start off with the purple shade in the palette, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to use this brush. I'm going to go ahead and apply this just right here, almost as if I was drawing a eyeliner. Oh, that's pretty. So I don't have any tape, so I'm going to use this little card from the box. And I'm going to draw like a super sharp wing right here. I'm going to use a little bit of this pinkish color. And I'm going to use that to like help me blend out this purple. I'm going to go in with the orange same brush. And then this one I'm just going to almost apply it. Oh my goodness. Ah! Okay, I love this palette. 10 out of 10 already recommend. If you use it, I would definitely use it with a tacky primer like the NYX. Just so you can get the best performance out of it. Oh my goodness. I'm going to see how the green does. This one, I love this eye look so far, you guys. These colors, amazing. I'm going to take a little bit of that lime green. I'm really curious to see how it's going to look. And I'm going to pop it in here to kind of like help me blend out the colors. I mean, it doesn't really show up. I would use it more as a pop of color into the inner corner. I'm going to try to use this in like the waterline, or maybe we'll see if we get any creative juices to flow in. But let's take the black gel eyeliner as well as the brush. The brushes themselves are really cool. And I'm going to dip this in. So that is what it looks like. And I'm going to draw a really thin line, like a eyeliner. I'm going to use that brush, or this brush, and I'm going to smudge out that black before it dries out. Really like the eyeliner. It does dry pretty quickly, so just kind of be aware of that. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the blue one and I'm going to use that in the waterline. I think that's going to look really pretty actually. I'm not going to use the brush that I just used because obviously it's now black, so I'm going to just use one of mine. Oh my goodness. This is pigmented, you guys. She was not expecting this. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's a gel eyeliner, yes, duh. But wow, the color, the payoff. Wow, I am here for this. I'm again cleaning off my brush, and I'm going to take the blue on the bottom. That is so pretty. And I'm going to use this one on the lower lash line. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that neon green and I'm going to put it in the inner corner. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with the green shimmer. And I'm going to lay it on top of that. Oh, that is so pretty. It's like a true apple green color. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these and just kind of like trace that line that I have going on here. I am going to use lash glue because I'm pretty sure I'm going to need it. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face off camera, lips and lashes, and I will be back with my final thoughts. Oh my goodness. I am blown away by this collection, you guys. So what are my thoughts? Duh. 10 out of 10, I recommend. This is a collection you do not want to sleep on. Like, the only thing that I could totally pass on that I don't really care for are the brushes. There's just not brushes that I typically use in my makeup routine. But if you like them, then by all means, go ahead and buy them. Don't let my specific opinion influence you. It's just, again, these are not the type of brushes that I naturally gravitate towards. They're not bad. They're just not my type of brushes. But this eyeshadow palette, girl, amazing. I'm blown away. And then the little pot eyeliners, 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm honestly kind of happy that these looks still go with my hair because I was afraid that it was gonna clash, like these bright looks with my hair, but Mama was wrong. So that is it, you guys. Oh my goodness. Thank you, e.l.f. for sending this to me. You guys did amazing with this launch. I love it. I love it so much. Even the little gems, look, how cute is that? All right, you guys, I am leaving because I am hungry. As always, I feel like every time I end my videos, I'm always saying that I'm hungry. But girl, a girl needs to eat. Okay, so thank you so much for being here. I love you all. As always, let me know your thoughts on this collection down below. What are you going to be getting after seeing this review? Because honestly, you need everything. All right, you guys, I love you. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.